Hello, dear beauties. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel of Safeera and welcome to all of you on the journey of styles and fashion. So, dear beautiful ladies, in my today's video, I am going to share with you beautiful collection, beautiful styles of skirts outfit for beautiful ladies and girls. Those girls who are going to exploring new styles, new trends of skirt outfit in 2025. So these are the best and latest ideas, latest collection of 2025 season's skirts outfit for beautiful styles and looks. So in my today's video, you are going to find out more than 100 plus styles and plus designs of skirts outfit. You are going to find out A-line style skirts, hem skirts, high-waisted skirts, ruffle work style skirts, pleated skirts, belted skirts with beautiful styling tips, with beautiful top designs and blouse styles. So you will get the ideas how to style your skirts with different types of tops and blouses. Beautiful colors combinations, beautiful styles and beautiful designs for skirts lovers. So must watch video till the end for getting the new ideas and new designs of skirts outfit. You will carry these styles of skirts outfit for your daily wears, for your party wears, night wears, work wear styles. I love all these designs. I love all these styles of skirts outfit, and I hope so, dear beauties, you are also going to love these designs and love these styles. So must enjoy the video till the end and don't skip any design, don't skip any style. You are going to find out chiffon fabric skirts outfit. You are going to find out cotton fabric skirt designs, linen fabric and georgette fabric designs. Chiffon fabric is the best choice for your summer seasons. If you are going to wear skirts outfit in summer season, so must watch video till the end. In this video, you are going to find out more than 100 plus designs and styles of chiffon fabric top shirts with beautiful skirt designs. Please, if you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my video, dear beautiful ladies, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style on my channel. For exploring new styles, new ideas, and new designs, visit on my channel and watch the other videos of fashion and styles. So I have already uploaded a huge collection of different and unique styles of dresses, skirts outfit, maxi dresses, skater dresses, party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dresses, top shirts and blouses. So a lot of new ideas and new designs you are going to find out on my channel. So must visit on my channel, dear beautiful ladies and girls, and watch the videos of fashions and styles. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, helpful for you, and you will get the new ideas and new designs, new styles of skirts outfit from those videos. I love all these designs, I love all these styles of skirts outfit, and I hope so that you will love these too, you will love these designs, you will love these styles. So if you are loving these designs and if you are loving these styles of skirts outfits, so please don't forget to share my video with your loved one. Share the video with your friends, with your relatives, so that the new people get the new ideas and new designs. Please don't forget to tell me in the comment section about my videos. Don't forget to tell me in the comment section which type of more videos you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos, more content will be useful and helpful for you. I try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your kind opinions in the comment section about my videos, about my content, and about my channel. So must watch video till the end. Don't forget to like and share video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give me your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye, dear beautiful ladies and guys, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Let's enjoy the video till the end.